Today I'm going to show you the easy way to make half text effect using Canva. Go to Canva and go to uploads, and after uploading your image, drag it to the design, increase the size to fit exactly the page, go to elements, go to shapes and resize this square, make it exactly cover the middle of this image and change the color to black. Go to text and type your text. Let's use Anton font. Let's increase the size and try to cover all the face. And duplicate this black square and change the color to white color. Go to layer, show layer, and make this white square behind the text. And download this image. Let's delete all. Upload this image again. And go to apps. And type blend image and choose this app. Click in this image and use it in top layer. And click use selected image. Click on the next one and use it in the bottom layer and choose screen and click add to design. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.